What's up, everybody? I was scrolling through Walmart earlier, and before I even get started, I am no way in shape, form, fashion, in any kind of way affiliated with these two things I've got. I was just scrolling through and seen it, hadn't seen it before. It may have been out there for a while now, I just ain't never seen it before. And I seen it and I'm gonna try it out and open it up and show y'all what was in it. It's called Mystery Tackle Box by the Catch Company. They had one for bass fishing, and then they had this one, panfish and trout fishing. It's a panfish and trout fishing kit. I reckon they put a couple of things in the box. I'm thinking it's sort of like the battle box deal, except you can just buy this one online. At Walmart instead of having to get it online. They just put their stuff. It says $25 value. I think it was like $17.88 or something like that. It says about 5 to 6 items. Just gonna open it up and see what's all inside. Figured I'd show y'all and see what we come up with. See if it's a good little deal or if it was just a bust. We're gonna see though. Another little fancy box. I don't know if y'all can see or not. Oh, and it does have a link here. It's mysterytacklebox.com. Let's see what's all in this bad boy. Keep your requirements for. It's got the size of the panfish, the trout, bass. It's got a little tape measure and stuff in here. Neat little box. Didn't spend a whole lot of money on the box. Come with a spinner bait, little jigs. How about y'all? But I always thought that was more for bass fishing. It's a rattle trout plug. I guess you could catch panfish. Panfish is your brown, crappie, and bluegills. And never imagine catching a trout on that. I don't know about y'all. That'd be awful big brown. I don't know. Comes with another little spinner bait rooster tail deal, little jig. Comes with some more jig. You can put lead heads on them. Now stuff like that you can catch panfish and trout with. Here's some lures with attitude. garlic and salt. It's like they're cut up. I could see catching panfish or trout with that one. And it comes with a Catch Company sticker. And that's all that's in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 5 items and a sticker. Nah, not too bad. We'll try it out. But I was going to get at too that this time of year, anytime you get in between changing seasons, especially like at Walmart, find all kinds of good deals. Like right now, they're marking the hunting stuff down, the winter stuff. They're marking all that kind of stuff down. I found this, and I know the color. I don't like the color, especially if you're out in the woods and you're trying to go gray, as they say. But this here sleeping bag, the Coleman, rated at 20 degrees, and it's for big and tall people. And I mean, I'm tall, so, and it's the mummy kind. It was marked down to like 40 bucks. I snatched it up. Anytime, like I said, they go to marking stuff down seasonal, and you can always find good deals on stuff. That I just keep this around the house, or if I go camping or whatever need be. But yeah, they're always marking stuff down, and the camping section, the hunting section, it's all kind of little stuff like that. Just keep your eyes peeled on stuff, good deals. But I'll put another video together. We'll go fishing and try some of these lures out. Now keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there. And oh yeah, it comes with this little book here, and it just tells about just a lot of different things, really, how to maneuver your baits while fishing for panfish or trout. And it even gives a little recipe in here about how to cook panfish and stuff. It tells different stuff about fishing on ledges for bass and different stuff like that. I think it was worth the money. Not a bad little deal.